Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Let's get started. Looking at the overall SPY, it looked like we had an amazing drop yesterday, not only on the 4 hour, but even if we drop down towards like the 10 minute, you can see every 10-minute cross was golden, rejected that trade line. That is exactly what you want to see when you're holding a position. But let's look at the past, I guess. Let's jump over towards the 1 year chart. You can see there's a trend line going sideways that every time the SPY hits it, it seems to bounce. And so far, it's kind of holding at that level right here at that 451, 450 zone. So let's see if we bounce off that area. You can see the 1 year RSI is finally getting oversold at a previous bounce level. The RSI normally bounces around these 30 levels. So we may get a reversal soon or even more panic selling. So hold on tight. Looking at the 180-day chart over here, you can see we're already starting to bounce off that trend line right here. So if you want to see some type of bounce, wait for that 180-day MACD crossover to cross over. You want that break of the trade line. RSI is oversold. So we want to see if we get above that 455.60, then we can start going to 460. If not, watch for yesterday's low to be broken, which is around like 450.70. And we could start going down towards 448. Next one we want to watch is going to be Tesla. Tesla is back at the 1,000 range. So we want to see what's going to happen with Tesla today. If we start to break anywhere below like 990, we could start going to 961. Or if we start going on the upside, we can start breaking that 1020. Then we could start going to 1045. So watch out for Tesla. Next one we're going to talk about is BABA. So looking at BABA, BABA is actually up pre-market. You can see it's finally above that SMA over here, trending sideways. So we need to see if we break above that 137, 138, then we could start going to 143. If not, watch for the break of these levels over here at that 133. Then we could start going to 130, maybe even 123 on BABA. Next, NVIDIA. Looking at NVIDIA over here, NVIDIA is still pulling it back. So definitely want to be cautious and watch to see, as long as it holds below that trade line, we could see some more downside if we get above it today. Watch for the break and hold above 260. Then we could start going to 273. Then watch for 246 for the downside, down towards 237 on NVIDIA. Last but not least, Wells Fargo is trading below the trade line. We've been talking about that it's been overbought. It's pulled back from 48 to 55. So the downtrend can still continue. MACD is trying to go into divergence. Watch for a drop below 55.20. Then we can start going to 54, maybe even lower. Or watch for a bounce. This could be a double bottom over here. You can see we hit this level before it came up, hit this level again. If we double bottom, watch for the break above 56.20, then we can start going up towards 57. So overall market has been choppy. I did expect some type of bounce this morning, especially after that massive drop. You can see we're bouncing already. So main thing is we want to see if we're going to break that 180-day trade line, get that crossover, then we could be like, hey, maybe we're going to be bullish, maybe try to recover some of the points that we lost on the SPY. If not, it could reject the trade line like it's been doing before and come back down and make a new low and possibly even retest that 448. So let's see what happens. I think we're going to get a choppy market until Powell speaks. But on the 26th, I think, was that next week? So definitely be cautious. Make sure you guys take profits quickly. Use those bigger charts like those 10 minutes, those 5 minutes to help you make informed decisions. I'll see you guys in the chat room. Hopefully you guys all have a green trading day later.